How to log into Santander Bank online. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're gonna see how you can easily log into Santander Bank online with a few simple steps. First off, open up your web browser and simply search for Santander Bank login or just search for Santander Bank. Tap on the first link that you see, which will direct you to the homepage of their official website. Now from this banking site, you will find different options. Here on your home screen, you can have different options to view your savings and CDs, your check-ins, credit cards, and more. Now in order to log in, you can find the login button at the top right corner where it says login, or you could just go ahead and tap on the three dots on the left side. I'll just tap on the login option here and this pop-up will appear on your screen. Now you can select which online service you want to log into, and then here you just have to provide your username. Once you provide your username, make sure to enter the password. And if you're a first time user, you can tap on this Enroll Now button down below the login to create a new account. Here, you could just enter your password and tap on Login. And if somehow you're having trouble with your password or user ID, you can tap on either of the Forgot User ID or Forgot Password button, and you should be able to recover it easily by providing some important details. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.